Still got it. I caught one, man. I've been able to catch one of these since I was a kid. And see, this is Disney magic right here. I used to hunt these things like to hone my skills even as to this day, right? And I still got it. One time I came back, I couldn't do it. But now I can, because I knew I could. And I did. Like, look at it. I got a little buddy. They're everywhere over here. Look at they're harmless. See? They're nice, see? What? Alright, I'm gonna let him go. But like, yeah. Do whatever you want, man. Like, you might wanna see if you can catch one of these. Not to say that there's reptilians or whatever, Anunnakis, draconian, whatever, but I'm making friends with this too. You know, like the AI, like everyone's scared of. Well, you better make friends. You better make friends now. There's another one. I'm done. Open this up, bro. Open this. Now.